The Philippines is a street food paradise. Imagine this, a plate piled high with delicious food, all for under $5. Yes, you read that right. You can enjoy a completely satisfying and flavorful meal without breaking the bank. Come hungry and get ready to experience the incredible world of Filipino street food. From bustling city streets filled with the chatter of locals and tourists alike, to sleepy seaside towns where the sound of waves accompanies the sizzling of food, food stalls are everywhere in the Philippines. The aroma of grilling meat, the sizzle of frying pans, and the friendly banter of vendors create an atmosphere that is both exciting and welcoming. Each stall offers a unique taste, a story, and a smile. Filipino street food is a true reflection of the country's culture, vibrant, diverse, and full of life. From savory to sweet, every bite tells a tale of tradition and innovation. Some travelers worry that street food is expensive or overwhelming. Don't believe the hype. Filipino street food is incredibly affordable. You can sample a wide variety of dishes without spending a lot of money. Don't be afraid to try something new. The friendly vendors are always happy to help you navigate the menu. Get ready for a flavor adventure. Dive into the vibrant and bustling world of Filipino street food, where every corner offers a new taste sensation. Filipino street food offers something for everyone, from the savory to the sweet and everything in between. For the adventurous eaters, there's isaw, grilled chicken intestines, perfectly charred over hot coals, delivering a smoky and unique flavor. And balut, which is a fertilized duck egg, offers a rich and savory experience that is both traditional and daring. Craving something sweet? Try taho, a warm silken tofu with sago pearls and syrup, a comforting treat that melts in your mouth. And hey, don't forget about classics like kwek kwek, deep-fried quail eggs, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, and banana Q, caramelized bananas on a stick, offering a sweet and sticky delight that is simply irresistible. If I had to pick my absolute favorites, they would be, first, adobo flakes in a bun. Imagine tender, savory adobo flakes tucked inside a soft, fluffy bun. The adobo flakes are marinated in a rich blend of soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and bay leaves, giving them a deep, umami flavor that is simply irresistible. It's the perfect blend of salty, savory, and comforting. Each bite is a delightful mix of textures and flavors, making it a must-try for anyone visiting the Philippines. Second, turon. This sweet treat features ripe saba bananas, dusted with brown sugar, rolled in spring roll wrappers, and deep-fried to golden perfection. The bananas are often paired with a slice of jackfruit, adding an extra layer of sweetness and texture. The crispy exterior gives way to a soft, warm, and caramelized banana inside. It's a delightful contrast that makes each bite a heavenly experience. And third, fish balls. These are a staple street food in the Philippines. Made from a mixture of fish paste and flour, they are shaped into small balls and deep-fried until golden brown. Imagine juicy, flavorful fish balls, deep-fried until golden brown, and then dipped in your choice of sweet, spicy, or savory sauce. The sauces range from a tangy vinegar dip to a sweet and spicy concoction, making each bite a burst of flavor. These treats are not just food, they are an experience, a taste of Filipino culture that you won't forget. Eating on the streets of the Philippines is an experience you won't soon forget. The food is delicious, the atmosphere is lively, and the prices are unbeatable. You can enjoy a truly authentic taste of Filipino culture without spending a fortune. So, come hungry and get ready to discover the magic of Filipino street food. What are your favorite street food discoveries? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'm always on the lookout for new and exciting culinary adventures from around the world.